Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we will take a look at a lens that has been around for a while but remains a popular choice for Sony APS-C cameras. The Sony 50mm f1.8 OSS prime lens. Prime lenses are an essential part of any photographer's kit, and the 50mm is especially versatile for everyday shooting. This particular lens was released all the way back in 2011, so it is quite old at this point. But you can still find it new on Amazon or eBay for roughly 250 euros. However, and this is where the lens becomes more interesting, used lenses go as cheap as 150 euros, making them an alluring option for photographers on a budget. For reference, all the testing was conducted on my Sony A6300, but the results should be similar to other Sony APS-C cameras as well. Let me start with the build quality. As you can expect at such a low price point, this lens is mostly made out of plastic, but at least features a metal lens mount. There aren't any buttons or switches to speak of, just a focus ring, which feels a bit loose and on the cheaper side. It features a 49mm filter thread and weighs in at around 200 grams. This lens features image stabilization, or OSS to put it in Sony's terms. Here is some video footage with it turned on and then off. You can definitely notice a difference, though it's far from being perfectly smooth. Now, how is the picture quality? As you'd expect from a prime lens, the photos are sharp, both in the center and out towards the corners. The wide f1.8 aperture makes it excellent for low light situations, and it's also great for achieving that beautiful background blur, or bokeh. While it's not technically a macro lens, its short minimum focus distance lets you get surprisingly close to your subject, which made photographing flowers and foliage a lot of fun for me. Autofocus isn't the fastest, but it's fairly accurate. Sometimes it will hunt for a moment, but it usually finds its target. Paired with the built-in OSS, you can even use it for light video work, though it's best suited for photography. Here are a few more photos I shot with this lens. Overall, I'm really impressed with the results. In summary, this lens is a fantastic budget option offering outstanding image quality for its price. The addition of OSS is a welcome bonus, making it even more versatile. The lens has a few drawbacks, including a mostly plastic build and a less than perfect autofocus, but if you can find it for under 200 euros, I believe you will have a lot of fun with it. But that's it on my part. If you have any questions or simply want to share your opinion, please leave a comment below. Thank you all very much for watching, and of course, have a wonderful day.